All right, well, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Moving Platform. We're here at Blizzard Beach. Like, talk about something that I haven't done. Hello. Something that I haven't done since my college program, like 16 years ago? I haven't been to Blizzard Beach in 16 years. So this is going to be an interesting day. I'm actually going to upgrade my day pass to the Florida Resident annual pass so that we can come back to Blizzard Beach and also Typhoon Lagoon as the summer is getting closer, so we can do some more water park stuff. I actually have a waterproof camera today. We'll see how that works out. It may be a hunk of junk. We'll find out when we get in there. But we're gonna get in line. We gotta buy tickets real quick, and then we'll be on our way. So we just finished up a pretty awesome day at Blizzard Beach. That was a lot of fun. I have not been to Blizzard Beach in so long, and I liked it so much that I went ahead and upgraded my annual pass to include water parks after 2. Sure, give me a few hours, a couple afternoons during the year, and I'll feel like it's paid for. But it gives me a chance to take you guys, show you guys Typhoon Lagoon, show you guys a little bit more Blizzard Beach. I'm not really sure what the quality on the waterproof camera looks like, so if it was awesome, yay. If it stinks, well, we learned our lesson. I don't know. So that was our first time using it. So hopefully that quality is good. I have not checked it out yet, so I won't know until you know. So, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, as always, watch your step.